program going on, sir?
First time it will be arranged by APTI, Association of Pharmacists of India. All these years it was hosted by Indian Pharmaceutical Association.
Okay, sir.
The first time in the history of pharmacy, APTI has been celebrating its this EU in commemoration of the celebrations of Department of Pharmaceuticals, ITPHU. There are a large number of participants from India and abroad. Good number of people have
You
represented.
collected a good number of speakers, sir.
Yeah,
Really.
very happy. It's good. It is a memorable occasion for all of us.
Yes, sir. Exactly.
Things have been very good. I think in the days to come, things will be much better. Yeah, tell me that.
So, being a president of Associate Pharmaceutical Teachers of India, what is your suggestion for the pharmacy curriculum in India, sir? The students meeting the requirements of industry, sir.
See, we have large number. We have different types of university setups.
Yes, sir.
Large number of universities
Sir.
all have their own curricula. I personally feel that present day needs are, though they are meeting the requirement of industry, I think in the days to come, we have to give reorientation to the curriculum, giving of the pharmacy being now focusing towards patient care, pharmacy practice. I personally feel that curriculum should be updated in all the universities at least once in every 3 years.
Yes, sir.
And there should be participation from industries, from the students as well. All the stakeholders should participate and come out with a good curriculum, I think.
So nowadays in India, only few universities are offering clinical pharmacy course and pharmacy practice course. What is your opinion on that thing, sir?
That is the
Are
reason
you
because-
expecting some more things will be implemented in the coming future?
Definitely, I think now, as far as our country is concerned, we have very few colleges are offering PG program and doctoral studies in pharmacy practice, but unfortunately, we do not have a stint of this pharmacy practice at undergraduate level.
Okay, sir.
Right? We feel that, but there is a now people are thinking in the direction of starting B.Pharm pharmacy practice program itself. Few of the people are thinking of it, but I don't know because since a lot of apex bodies are involved in it,
Okay, sir.
it may take some more time for these people to come out. But I think in the maybe next down the line 5 years, many more institutions will come up with pharmacy practice.
So you told that reorientation program is necessary for some of the students nowadays.
Definitely, they require a lot of reorientation. They require counseling. That's what I told you. The students should also be involved in participating for the curriculum development.
Okay.
That should be the focus. Unfortunately, it doesn't happen.
So nowadays most of the students are willing to go for abroad to do their MS programs, all those. What is your comment on that scenario, sir?
People
MS
going abroad for doing MS, that is one aspect.
Okay, sir.
But of course, now a large number of postgraduate institutions have been started in India. Many of them are pursuing here.
Yes, sir.
Maybe few with research bent up to go abroad for doing their MS. They continue for doctoral studies, post-doc studies. But if they get better package, they settle down there. They don't come back. What I call it as brain drain. But I think anyway, in the years to come, things will be.
Sir, what is your opinion on the mushroom growth of private colleges in India, sir?
It is unfortunate that it is happening, but there is no. The government should think in that direction, and even the apex bodies should think in the direction of controlling of this mushroom growth of substandard institutions. What I call. There is no problem if there is mushroom growth, but growth should be in quality aspect, not in terms of quantity.
Okay.
I think in the years to come, quality will improve, and of course, quality will only survive. Best institutions survive, and the one which are not in maintaining standards will have natural death. They'll perish.
Are you willing to give any suggestion for today's students, sir?
Students, only thing they should work hard. They should have bent up. They should now think for serving their own country rather than going abroad and doing MS and other things.
Yes, sir.
Of course, our next generation is going to be little smart. They are quite intelligent. I'm very happy about that.
So all are saying that there is plenty of opportunities for the pharmacy graduates nowadays, but what about the challenges we have to face, sir?
Challenges you have to face is that's what I told you. Now, all many things will depend on other aspects also.
Okay, sir.
Challenges they have to face is now
Knowledge-based.
knowledge-based challenges they have to accept, and they have to work hard. Of course, our students are much better than any other students of other parts of the world.
Okay, sir.
They are doing very well.
So did you got any idea about next IPC?
Next IPC is going to be held at Delhi. 60th IPC will be held at New Delhi, and it will be hosted by Indian Pharmacy Graduate Association during 2008 December.
When you need to decide it, sir?
Venue has not been decided because that they are allowed to now form an LOC and they are allowed to work it out. Venue is not.
So still
Not
it is
decided.
So overall, we feel very happy to have a nice interaction with you, sir.
Yeah.
First time we had a nice interaction with the President APTA.
Yeah.
So we are very glad to have you.
Thank you. All the best.